Maya Paldo, Kabalen. Magandang araw, mga Kabalen. Ito ang So to Speak. Yapin po yung So to Speak ini at ako po Sonia Soto. At muli ninyo kaming makakasama para sa isang makabuluhang kwentuhan ngayong araw na ito. So, in kaya katamo pong pisabyan ngayon, metong yung mahalagang proyekto. Mo kabud proyekto, metong yung bagay na dapat itamong memalen, balutamo yung ulagana niti, yapin ing metong museo. At ing museyong ini, yapin ing santungan, ing kulturang Kapampangan o ing ausandang SKK. Ito po ay isang cultural center at museum na magsisilbing tahanan ng ating kasaysayan, sining at pagkakakilanlan bilang mga Kapampangan. Ang timong metong lahing Kapampangan, mawalaga na itamo at intamong santungan ng kultura. Pero bago po ang lahat, panoorin muna natin ang VTR na ito na inanda ng ating team. Roll VTR.
Every city has a heart. And for Pampanga, that heart beats in the rhythm of its heritage, its language, its art, its memory. But for years, our vibrant Kapampangan soul had no sanctuary, no single place where stories could live and culture could breathe. Nestled in the historic core of San Fernando is the Santungan ng Kulturang Kapampangan or SKK, once the site of the old Pampanga High School and the UP San Fernando Extension. This Gabaldon heritage structure rose from the ground up after decades of abandonment, rebuilt not just in concrete but in conviction. It was here where bright minds gathered, and now the SKK stands as the Department of Tourism designated cultural hub of Pampanga, a living space where artists, scholars, youth, and communities converge to reclaim and rekindle Kapampangan identity. In every province, a cultural hub is more than a museum. It is a classroom, a stage, a gathering place where the past nurtures the present and prepares us for the future. And for Kapampangans, it is a powerful counterforce to forgetting.
This cultural hub is not only envisioned to become a physical space. Meron niya pong lugar ang magsilbing sentro na ning pamagtipon para ipakasalaysayang gawa o kwento at pamangambol, sabi ko, biting kultura na ning bayan. It is envisioned to become a home for dialogue, creative exchange, and capacity building anchored in our rich heritage.
But this home, our Santungan, is still a work in progress. It needs you. This August, as we celebrate Bulan ng Amanong Siswan, we invite you to take part in a collective dream. Support the SKK. Join us for a fundraising dinner and cultural night on August 30, 2025, where food, music, poetry, and memory come together. Your contribution will fund educational activities for children and youth, sustain cultural workshops, and keep the flame of Kapampangan culture alive in the very home it deserves. The Kapampangan culture has always stood tall. Help us give it a home it truly deserves. Support SKK. Be part of history.
Okay, ngayong araw po na ito, makakasama natin sa ating talakayan ang Tourism Officer ng Lungsod ng San Fernando, Pampanga. At aktibo siyempre sa iba't ibang pangkulturang gawain, hindi lamang sa San Fernando, kundi sa buong Pampanga, kundi man sa buong Rion at Pilipinas. Walang iba kundi si Ching Pangilinan. Good afternoon sa iyo, Ching.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon, Tita Sonia. At maya pa oras po kaya kayungan ka lang agan-agan ng Manal Bekeng, so to speak. It's always a pleasure to see you, Tita.
Thank you very much. At kasama rin natin ngayon si Engineer Fer Kailao, President ng Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan o FLKI. Alam po ninyo, ang Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan ay kilala dati after the Pinatubo eruption or during the Pinatubo eruption bilang Save Pampanga Movement. At sabi nga nila, ang kanilang inililigtas ng mga panahong yun na hindi na lang ang pisikal na lalawigan ng Pampanga, kundi lalo na ang kultura ng lalawigang Kapampangan. Simulan po natin ang ating kwentuhan. So ngayon may mga nanonood na sa atin sa Facebook pag-usapan natin ngayon itong tungkol sa cultural hub, yung SKK. Baluta mo na sobrang niya kalambat ini. Buri ko sabihan, in proyekto ngayon eya mo kabud sinulpot. Dekada na in pisasabihan, bayo ya mita lakad ini.
Yeah.
Tell us about it, Kongfer.
Yes. Maya pa oras, kaya katamungan, kaya Manalbe, kaya so to speak, a very popular TV program, kaya ti region, or and magking mabilog ayato.
Oh, thank you.
Proud to be here again.
Oo.
Masaya kami nga donching. Para siguro idake kaya kayo, yapsemi, nung naning panandaman mi, ikaming antimong, naman mani muna, nung siguro itang may atasan para manigobra kanini, huling mga ilang kaya pusaw. May gumpisaya ni, suka Ma'am Sonia, niyang mang pinatubo, and then miglahar. After that, in Save Pampanga, after may kain na itang to dike and to die, no? May kaita mo, may gawayang
To
mega
die
dike.
or to die.
Wow. May gawaya in dike, in deng founders na ning Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan, thought it, inisip do, okay, physically, save tane, makanano naman in kaya katamong kaladwa, the soul of the Kapampangan, uling may ka-diaspora, may kala laray Kapampangan, kailangan tayong pasibayong kambulan, lingapan, palablaban. So, iapin ito, minuna, iapin ng Sinukuan Festival. So, 28 years na ining come December, duwan ng pulot walong banwa. And after 2 years or 3 years, telakad niya in Museum Kapampangan, kanita King Clark Air
Wow,
Base.
King Clark.
Clark
Wow, may kapunta ko pa ka rin
So, karinya pa, King Saup na ng dating President, General Romeo David. So,
malamban
na
na
kami. So, karinya. But after some time, may naliwang, I mean, leadership siguro ka rin. Sabi ra, gamitan for the Clark Museum. So, kabunda niya Leko. Ebi Bahalo.
Leko ding Museum Kapampangan.
Wow,
In
Leko
place of that, the
Ala.
Clark Museum.
Ala,
Oh.
itang Clark Museum, kaya dere, koro retang kaya katamong kay ka rin, collection, the relics, no, artifacts. For the longest time, talagang linawe tamong lugar until finally, Mika Yusuf Rakta mo between the Philippine National Police. Ila pa lang mikibandiken, yung Philippine National Police, not the
Itang
provincial
lote,
government.
itang property.
Balami kasi kanita yung kaya, yung probinsya Pero yung mikibandi, yung Philippine National Police. So, nang panahon ng then President GMA, Kapampangan niya, sinopa na kaming Mika Yusuf Rak with the Philippine National Police, no, for 25 years and renewable for another 25 years. So, mag-umpisa ka nito, may nigobrala rin kaya katamong abe, malambat. Dinina na yung initialing 10 million GMA kanita. Then, mitok na nga, yung kaideng principals, pati mo na ng then President tamoy Ma'am Tess Laos, may funding, fundraising, kareng madrigal, may bubungan niya. Then, itok nang naman. Then, finally, about 2 years ago, sinopa na katamong Congressman Dong Gonzales, no? Na ngayon, yung makatalakad na yung santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. Kaya nga manong English, siguro, I would say, refuge. Santungan. No, karing ka sa likod o kaya no karing
shelter
shelter or
home.
No, it's a home, yes. Na no kan kasumantong kanya narareng Kapampangan So yapin nito more or less in summary, makanya niyang may gumpisa at ngeni may ngari ang anak pa na para gulantam.
Sige, dakala salamat kitang background binyemo Kongfer. Balo ko ing in City Tourism Office, dati ang ating maintain na Balamo train station, which is some sort of a museum of what we call a war memorial, ne?
Yes.
Pero ngeni, makasantong niya, tentatively or temporarily, kening santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. Tell us about it.
Gusto niyo po ita, Tita Son, because of the North Rail project na ongoing, ne, at yung kakatamong San Fernando train station is one of the few train stations that's still extant, ne, from the late 1800s. On more than 100-year-old building, ngeni, part of the North Rail construction, while it's gonna be preserved, it will take some years for us to be able to use it again as a heritage center. Kanya, adet ang collection tamo dati na atsuking train station, peki santong milapaking SKK, king santungan, at akit tala ka rin datang miyayaliwang sculpture na tungkol king Second World War, ang paretang miyaliwang collections tamo na ngeni, akit da pa rin ka rin, ang paretang dating bibisita kang train station, atin lang puntalan, atin lang bayong papasyalan kapag mumuntala San Fernando. So, temporarily, at sula, makahausa ka rin, but we've also added over the years that ang amiyayaliwa tamong collection about San Fernando heritage. Kanya, antimoretang miniature da rin kaya katang San Fernando houses, at sula naman king santungan.
Chula ka rin. So, pag sinabi tamong santungan, aliya santungan ng kultura ng San Fernando. Aliya makanyan. In santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. So, everyone is welcome. All the municipalities, all the cities, nung atin lang heritage pieces, etc. You are inviting them to join. Well, full disclosure mo po kaya kayo, aktibo ko po kasi kayong Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan at kaya beda ko naman dit ching ang pori confer kening SKK.
Yeah.
In fact, talagang metong niya kareng kapag nasanta mo, in talagang maging mabiyeyang mabye in santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. At salamat ken Department of Tourism, diniklaraneng cultural hub ini. So nanuya ba ini? Pag sinabi mong cultural hub, dapat ganaganang involve o mag-participate o bisang maging aktibo king pamanyulong, pamaggambul king kulturang Kapampangan, welcome lang confer.
Ay, pa naman, Ma'am Son, our Executive Vice President ng FLKI, Executive Vice President, malamo yan naman ng nanito, prime leader or manimuna.
Buta balaga prime
activities.
Prime mover.
Prime mover.
Manimuna kayo, hulingi kami pong
kasawop ko mo ko prime.
Matuwa na kayo po kami at saka rin. Pero eke po susuko. Tutoy ta, Ma'am Son. In fact, in sasabihan tamo, in santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan, the Great Pampanga Empire, amo ken Pampanga political, no? Yung Pampanga mo. Ating Kapampangan as far as Bulacan, no? Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, and part of Bataan.
Kasi ating Kapampangan region.
Yes, that's the Great Kapampangan. And even the Kapampangan in diaspora napin, no? That ang atyo Davao, atyo karang miyaliwang Baleno, atyo karang aliwang bansa, mabilog ay ato. Welcome la po, Kenny. Masaya akong babalita na nagkarakalamaos nung makanan mo lang mag-participate. Ating kaming matuwang makanya na nakopya, plancha, makina. Sabi ko, welcome la po rin. Pero sagli mo po lang. May balo noon, mila po kabit kanyan din ako in due time. Pero noted la po rin. Di lang mila po lugal. So, yung pamangailangan na mo ka rin yung kakatamong santungan, no? Doon ibuklat itang siyempre secure tayo masalese, no? And to secure it, you need resources, logistics like security, no? And then personal tamo, detang mag-restore or detang mag-curate, no? Things like that. So kailangan tala pureta. Yapin eta na masusuko pero yung kapag subukan talagang medyo maragol pong pagobran.
Ching, you took up anthropology in college, ne? At balo ko, may mag-aral ka pa eh. Minta ka pa Espanya para mag-aral. Dakal na ka naman pintalan na miyaliwan lugar at balo ko, parti na ka naman ning meto nga aguman dareng mag-preserve at mag-promote kareng museo, ne? Keti mabilog a Pampanga at intanang ayaw sa museong Kapampangan.
Well, technically, lata pa itang museum na Museong Kapampangan, but we do have independent university-based, like university-based research centers, siguro na sabi tamo, anti-modern king Akademyang Kapampangan, Institute for Kapampangan Studies ng AUF, Center for Kapampangan Studies na ning Holy Angel, kay but in King Archdiocesan Museum tamo, pero more on ecclesiastical art. But for a museum for the people and by the community, run by the community, yung alata mo. Kasi alata mo naman like a provincial museum, so to speak, diba? Nga, masanting at importante yung kaya katamong santungan. It's more than just being a museum, it's more of a heritage center. Uling Kenny tala tatampok detang burita mong ipasa what we want, what we value at the present. Uling in heritage work is very dynamic. Nung nanulalatang tema na da kaya kayo kayong generation you, ilang ipasa yung kayong tutuking henerasyon, itang kaya kami, yung gambulan tamo, and if we value this enough, we will also want to pass it on to the next generation. So, itang metong karetang burita mong parasan with this particular project. Kanya, nung in SKK, it's in a position to bring together the Kapampangan community na to identify not just the artifacts, but all our significant intangible cultural heritage, datang manifestations na ang kanya nang kay makatabang puso pa ang ating lalapit kaya katamo na pwede talabang i-house din ni King Museum, makayan, or datang bisang sumaop. Kasi it's not just the material culture that we have, but it's more of the narratives, the shared history as a community. This is the place where we can perfectly celebrate that.
At ini kasing SKK, penny mo na nening FLKI. Parang usually, potang sabyan may museum, anti mo, king aliwang bansa o king aliwang lugar, keti Pilipinas. Pag museum niya, isipan mo, ing money muna at mag-maintain anyone private.
Usually government.
Government. Lalo na of this type, itang makapatungkol keng istorya at kultura ni metong lahi, anti mo, itamo, lahing Kapampangan, makanyan. Karengaliwang lugar mo naman, kakit ko ding LGU, provincial government, city government, mag-maintain ng makanya na museum. So, bakit ini bala mo ang gaman nga ni pribadong sektorya pa ing tatalan king SKK?
Yeah.
Although, dakala private museum mo naman, di Ayala Museum is one of such type of a privately owned museum, right? I was at the Aquino Center yesterday. Wala akong katula. May kadalan kami because we went to SEC, Tarlac Extension Office. Kaya ba't yung pauli na kami? O hindi paling Aquino Center, kaya niya yung Ninoy Aquino Museum. Ako, pero eda ni sa Ninoy Aquino Museum.
Center.
It's now referred to as the Aquino Center. Kaburikong menakit. Kasi itang, bala mo, kinabiya itang, kasi ikit ko retan dates, ne? So, ikit kitang 1952, kay ba't 1959? Oh, the year I was born na ako, ne? 1959. Kay ba't ikit ko na naman in 1972? Happy ni. So, maka-imbye ko pala, makakaya kitang, imagine ko at yung connection kitang istorya ka rin. Sabi ko, oh my goodness ako. Ako pinbay bugma ko, may kiyabe ako pagkita pinrally. Kasing kaya ka rin. So, anang kanyaman na itang pakiramdam mo na putang munta ka keng meto nga museum, aga na kamo ing milabas at migigising itang diyo, itang fervor, itang patriotic fervor ne confer. So, makana, bakit private sector kayo, ala kayo bang kayantabe, public sector, kening kaya katamong SKK?
Well, sa pasabi mo yan yan pintalakad tayo kanito, ang katantano man, kaya katamong leaders, no? Political leaders, ang popang private sector, na mupin talagang medyo lalo na ng may wala nobe, retang pundador, no? Dali Tatang Jess Lasatin and Ata Jerry Rodriguez, ilang mani muna kanta. Although Father Resty, nung nakiramdam niya, masikan niya
Father Resty Lumanlan.
Yes.
Hello, Father Resty.
Yan. Wow. Ila talagang ilang may nagpursige para patnala kaduling. Yung sasabihan da, among the 8 race, kaya katamong
Philippine flag.
Philippine
flag na provinces, 8 provinces lareta, ita mo na among alang museum that we can call our own. Of course, at ating aliwang lati-lati, no? Pero as a province, ala. Pero kailangan talakad tayo, manimuna tamo. Makanya la kasi kanlub kanita, kita mo naman, siguro hanggang ngayon, no? Hopefully, milabas siya ini na sumahopla naman din kaya katamong political leaders, medyo nang kaipin na maki-agong takarela, no? Kareng programs, makiabela, pero itang to sustain it, medyo alata pa ka rin. Kailangan may kabaying inler and kaya katamong political leaders to sustain this because kaya katamo, kaya kami ni, kaya kanako ini, kaya katamo ini at saka yung ipamana tamo, kareng kaya katamong anak ampong apo, dahil saling lahi tamo. Sayang yung panahon kasi itong mawala na ini, ala na. Kasi ngayon may kaka-renaissance to, sabi kong kaya, no? Kareng Kapampangan, ating anak, abisa ngayon pupunta ka rin, no? Mag-research. Mag-research la, makain masaya la po tang kwento may karelate ang history na nitang, yung swerte mo, itang lugar ita mismo, metong iyang historical lugal. Yapin more or less kinuha tayo itang restoration pero replica yan itang original
Gabaldon
designed by Parsons, no?
William
Parsons ito makanyan yan tayang niya medyo magastos yawling pepagawa tayo itang original ng facade, no?
Wow.
So at saka ita lugar la ita, we can call it a hallowed ground. Hallowed ground siya. It's a hallowed ground because during the Second World War, may gamit siyang hospital, Darengapon. At dakala pong meteken.
Sige, balikan tayo ing sasabihan tamo, mag-break tamo po saguli. Huwag po kayo nga alis, babalik po kami.
Hello.
Ibabalik po ang So to Speak at kasama pa rin natin si Engineer Fer Kailao at Ching Pangilinan at pinag-uusapan pa rin po natin ang kahalagahan, kabuluhan ng pagkakaroon ng museo o sentro ng kultura sa isang lalawigan o lugar. Kanina, pisasabihan tayo nandin itang bakit ini private sector initiative at makananoy ang government support. Yung balo ko, makapanyad naman support ka rin government agencies, kalupa na mo ng NCCA, the National Commission
for Culture and the Arts.
For Culture and the Arts. Pero depende yan nung nanoy itang programang burimong papondo karela. Yan naman makanya nakaragul mo naman din funding ng kay from 500,000 to 1 million makanyan makanano kasakit para king neto nga local government unit ing mag-support king neto nga endeavor like SKK for example atin bang limitation atin bang constraints of course kami medyo aware kami bagyang confirm mo naman because we used to be part of government, no? We were government functionaries in the old days, no? Ako 20 years ago I was part of the local government unit as city administrator, makanyan mo rin, i-confer. But confer stayed for 9 years, no, as city administrator under Mayor Oka. So, buri kong abalo, kaya ka, because syempre, dakal nakapenibatan mo naman na aguman na panay yung pisasabihan, ing makanini.
Yeah, may itong karang advocacy mo actually,
Also to support tourism and cultural governance and make it part of the normal. Kasi pat siya kareng leaders tamo, minsan nilalakoy yaketang equation ng sustainable development in component ng culture, which is actually one of the pillars. Balik kong sabihan, in kultura, it's as important as economy and environment. And without culture, it will never be sustainable development. But I think we've been very fortunate king City of San Fernando. Uling disnan ko time ng Mayor Oka, and even before that, the heritage programs tamo, Mayor Aquino, Mayor Edsa, and now kang Mayor Vilma Caluag, na our leaders in the city have always been very supportive of culture and the arts na, as part of the endeavor. And I think we're one of the few cities that supports the FLKI ever since na yung Sinukuan Festival bilang host city, kay ba't nga ni yung SKK bilang katamong cultural hub. And I'm happy, walang DOTs also in the picture now na dineclare na it's a cultural hub for Pampanga. And that's more reason that actually would give justice, or that would justify why other LGUs should support the Santungan. Kasi it's our cultural hub for the Kapampangans. I understand, madakal tama mga limitations kasi kunwari, potang kailangan magpa-accredit yaing metong foundation like FLKI, kaya katamong sangguni ang panglungsod, ang sangguni ang panglalawigan, atin tamong repertorial duty king SEC, for example, na every year mag-update la rin, ang financial statement, you have to give that. It's the same din for the Giant Lantern Festival kasi non-profit la rin by nature din. But buring sabihan, datang saop tamo na coming from the government also has to be used in a very judicious manner. Itan naman itang kailangan tamong i-ensure na magagamit la para kitang ustong parasan. But I think more of what we need now is the idea na we should be supporting cultural endeavors, especially for the community, regardless of our political affiliations. Itaytang we should rise above that. Kasi whoever gets to be our leaders in the future, we would still be Kapampangans at the end of the day. And these are our shared heritage, shared values tamo as a Kapampangan people. So, ita siguro itang metong tamo na lalabi mo naman na as not just as a cultural worker but also as a Kapampangan advocate makanta. But you know, Tita Son, when I think of it, one reason why the SKK and by FLKI, yung Sinukuan Festival has survived for the longest time, it's because of the private sector initiative. And that actually reflects our culture na we have a very strong private sector involvement in Pampanga. And makabilib ita kasi not all
29 years?
Almost 30 years na. Kasi that was
1995.
Oh,
See?
1995.
So 30
Oh,
years on.
30 years
30
na,
years,
oo.
30 years. Oh, more, that's 30 years and that's gonna be part of our heritage. And that's a reflection nung makananula katenakan ding Kapampangan. Kasi bakit ding private sector people like you, mamiyalang effort, mamiyalang oras, mamiyalang pera just to sustain this? Naala na lamang akwakan except for the fact that our culture will live on. So, ako, itay meto nga point na maka-proud. Kasi ding aliwang syudad, aliwang lalawigan, nung alayang gobyerno, alalang museum. Ita mo, we don't actually, well, ako sasabihin tayo kailangan ng gobyerno, pero kailangan tayo itang pamisaop ng gobyerno ang paning private sector. Ban masikan niya, itang pamangambol tamo kayong kultura.
Yeah, on second thought, masanting yung point mo ngayon, aga na ka ako, wari dang festival sa LGU initiated. Potang itang mayor, kanitang meg-initiate. Mekone.
Alan,
O kaya simbot na nitang bayo.
Exactly.
Lakoda ne. Wapin naman. Nung mira siyang 30 years in Sinukwan Festival, because of the initiative of the private sector, imburi ng sabihan, mas mag-survive la rin uling alalang political color ne. Confer.
Ay, naman. Karin tamo kaya yan challenge kaya katamo ito pakikwanan tamo atintang ako aga nakakune naman yang tapin to die or to die ken Leon ken Tigri at atatakot ken Laharpa because then volcanologist and scientist Kevin Rodolfo sabi na makona ko ni kung Kapampangan masyas ko buntukan miturang ko lahar mitambunan yan 20 feet yan it was only also another Pag-asa scientist tatang
Punong Bayan.
Dr. Ray Punong Bayan sabi na naman atin tamong technology ngayon we can guide where the lahar would flow. So Mexican talog kanito niya itan to die or to die ito may kasabyo kaya katamo uling nung etag keway ta, etami sa upitang Kapampangan, more than the national government kanita, President Fidel Ramos, bisa mo naman bisang mamiya mo naman, yung migkay tamo, sabi tamo, eta na pamamayad tax, mangolekta tamo, rin estudyante, pesos.
Pinatatandaan ko ito.
Ito yung mangilabot ko, no? Migkay tamo, fundraising, and then, the first 555 million mintay President Fidel minme yung initial fund kanita yung may gawain dike. So tayo totally lako in national government but ita mo in the private sector must do our own have our own initiative para gawan tayo ni because government leaders come and go mialiwala priorities but ita mo atintang vision at atintang mission. So, happening permanent ito. Itang them private sector, them politicians come and go. We need their support. Some would support, others won't. So, kailangan itamo, tatatakot ka nito. Dire-diretso tamo mo.
Yeah. You said a while ago na without culture naman, environment and the economy will never be sustainable. Ne? Can you talk about that a little further? Ne? Kasi, for the benefit of those who are watching us, lalo na rin kayanakan who are very interested in the environment, they're very interested in culture. Ngayon kasi nga kakit ko, din kayanakan ngayon talagang isipan na nung makananulak yung daratang panahon kasi bala mo, in yatong ama manada is a degraded, it's a degraded earth, a world. Ne? So, gagawa lang naman paralan. And they're becoming very conscious of it. So, why is it not sustainable nung in culture talaga tayo pasiknangan?
Well, kasing konsepto tamo kayong sustainable development, it roots back to the Brundtland Commission report. This was done in the 1980s and such a visionary work. Kasi king Pama ni Garalda, they were able to define sustainable development as that kind of development that meets the needs of the present generation without compromising the future generation of the ability to meet also their own needs. And then pillars na ng sustainable development are economy, environment, and culture. Kaya makanyan tayong lalawendeng problema tamo king climate change, makanyan king economy netang pacha mature la ring economic systems tamo in place, mag-suffer yan ng quality of life, ne. But patutungulan tamo ngan is the improvement of the quality of life of people. So, nung kulang yaing metong karing sangkap mo, yaman-yaman yung pangaluto na. It's not gonna be the same. Ngayon, minsan atin tamo kasing tendency na we focus on just one area of the environment, of development, for example. But if you focus too much on one development area, pero pailakwan niya itang kultura o likwan me kaya kang environment, for example, anti mo, ding maging problema tamo kasalukuyan kareng aliwang lugar na uling burita mo yung progreso, patas tala ring dalan, o kaya sinemento tala retang natural waterways and so on. But progress comes at a price of, letting your natural environment go. Makanyan, di ba? So, o kaya, we've been focused too much on economy, pepabren tayong kultura tamo, mo naman masanting. Kaya, kailangan, para sustainable yaing kaya katamong future, at masanting yaing yatong ipamana tamo ka rin tutuki, kompleto laretang atlo. We need the economy to, of course, sustain both the environment and our culture. In state of the environment, nung pabren tayo in environment, kaya katamong kalikasan at alata ng resources, mika epekto yan naman ta kayong kultura tamo pang economy. In kultura apining kaladwa tamo bilang tao, bilang pemalen. It's the celebration, it's the achievement of humankind. In culture kasi it's what makes us different from the animals. It's actually our cultural achievements as a mankind.
Correct.
Kaya nung iting mawala, we're losing our identity, not just as a species. Kumbaga, ultimately, it's the survival of the species that we're looking at if we remove culture from the entire equation.
Kong Ferne, sabi mo work in progress yung santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. Nanding ko kwento mo nung makanano kasakit yung pigdalanan para mitalakad yan. Talagang may buguhatang gumaga ako elob ko. Kasi siyempre ngayon, itang obrang melakwan, medyo aman ako, ne? Yan, magobra kami king SKK. Pero itang buri ko sabihan, anang kasakit talaga, anang kasakit. Yet, sasabihan mo rin ordinaryong tao, lalapit la, bisa lang mag-donate, ketang likwan da rin apuda, na laweda, nung i-display jakim bale, baka ala naman makaing silbi or significance, ala namang manakit. Pero nung adalade ka rin at maging partine ng kaya katamong collection, keng museum, baka may kasilbihan. That is a very good guy. That is a very good attitude. Aning kasanting itong buri na sabihan, lalawen din ni bandina ng community. So, nung bandina ng community ng SKK, itang ibieda na donation of lumang plancha o lumang detang gagawang detang mga tambunan king kabalansyan, ano nung aus karetang mabilog, anong no ka rin mag-grind, what ang gagawa lang suma, no, na ano, akalingwang ko na ano yung aus kanita, ne. Nung donate data king kay, santungan, maging community property, at dakala mo naman, mika, akit ditang in culture pala, ating yan, itang pagiging tangible na ini pala, ebidensya yan na, kanita makanyantin. Yeah. So, makanano ing dapat danggawan, nandin kwento mo na ngayon medyo magkasakit yung SKK nung makananunongan kolektahan data. Pero initially, you have a collection at the SKK, right?
Yeah, Ma'am Son, no? Sabi ko, may gumpisaya kayong museong Kapampangan, karin mo, dakal no, may kanita.
Batla naman kayong community reta.
Oo, batla naman karang communities deta. Talagang mga santing la ako, may amaze ko karetang binyera ka rin, no? Detang gamit at ka rin talagang akit mo, makanano lang mga biyayan, no? Then, deng Kapampangan, deng minunang Kapampangan. Dahil ang gamit ka keng pamananaman, deng Hortelano, deng Manasan, deng Manay, deng Mamlansya, deng Magluto.
Gagawang
Pero
kapangan,
atin mo naman gamit yung kahit tantasa no. Anong kasanting-asanting ba't siya ka rin king makwaltala at apali dete, the likes of the Arnedo family.
Wow. Sulipan,
Sulipan,
Oo.
Migdonate lang naman.
Oo.
Nung ka-precious dito, talagang sabi ko, while ating makanyang palag, yung Kapampangan pala kanito, makwaltala naman. Talagang yan naman mo malalakwan. Detang gamit do. Gold kailo. Gintulak ano retang kahit detang tasara. So, ngani, detang bisaping mamye kaya katamo. Sabi mo, sagli mo, uling emi balo nung nokarim nila ikabit. Uling siyempre, yung kebit nila rin, kailangan makatakap lapotap. Diba, panal ng dalo, panakawan dorgo. Uling alata mong dakal amagbante. Potang atin daratang kasi ng kay, niyang misan 16 busloads lang anak from Kailapay, Cavite, no?
Elaman Kapampangan.
Alilamang Kapampangan. Talagang, kubaloy kami nga doon siya, mga nanumilang guardian, okay?
Kapilan pa mo yan. This year,
yung gawan minamo, one bus at a time, tapos magbante kergo, no? So, balo mo na, mawala la. At the same time, kami na mo naman mag-tour guide karela. Karinya kulang. So, sabi napin na Ma'am Ching, atin tamon trained tour guide keti, dito atap tala. Kaya mo, siyempre, sungking mo reto, adinan mong allowance do. Right now, although ketambayo tamong kaingeni at manyad ta ng at least atin ng rate nung magkano hitang fee, no? Na makasawp kaya katamo, makasawp la reto. So, sana pin, in the future, dening NCCA, NHI, DOT, then sumahop laki katamo and our leaders both in the government and private na itap tamo at ilang sasabyan mabiela pari deng matwa kanita di tatanjes ausan tayo kaya na kaluguran niya na sumahop la rin na sabyan da rin den chupako deng madrigala na deng kakaluguran tala rin den limhoko na rin nanuya pa rin ang konsunhi are kilala tala yan
City Hall, Konsunhi Street.
Pangeni ating manipangilina na sasabyan to rin, no? So, sabi ko, siguro, in due time, potang hakit kumbiran nyapin, tayo na kuman.
Balo mo niyang minsan ating ko nga kasabi, at ating ko naman mabasa, sabi well, these are intellectuals na po pangking academic community, sasabihan na potang imbansa ka na mababala cultural consciousness, makalunos la. Yung meto nga tao na, or community na, itang halos alalang makanya na, itang ela conscious, kayong karelang milabas, ang point tradisyon, yung kultura da, makalunos la. What does it really mean when they say, do ating kang interpretation ketang makanya na, or do you agree ketang makanya na
Yes, Tita Son.
paglalawi?
Especially, wala niyang maging comparent So, muling sabihin, in cultural appreciation, ang pang understanding, especially bilang metong anthropologist So, ayintindihan ko nung makanano ya kaulaga. At ni karengping bansa, nung pansinan mula, retang nang kayi sasabihan na retang mapangalingwan o kaya retang short-term in collective memory na ring balen, kalingwan da yung karelang kasalasayan o kaya yung karelang kultura. Kaya ba't akit mo ka rin no, in economic development na is not also that progressive. Kaya lawen mo na rin bansa na pinaka-sustainable, they have a high regard for both the environment and culture.
Wapit
And economic development follows. Kasi I think it also, itang identity tamo and part of a nation building itang identity, ang itang nation building. Ne? Antimo, you look at the story of South Korea recovering from the the war that divided it into two nations, ne? And you see how the Koreans sacrificed personal belongings to fuel their nation building, tang post-war recovery da. Ne? And look at where they are now. And they were able to achieve that kind of development in less than 100 years. Ne? O kaya, lawen tala ring examples nga ni king tourism, ne? Marakal bisang pupunta keng Vietnam at aungusan ne ing tourism performance tamo. And what are they selling to us? And even Thailand, ne? What are they selling? They're selling their culture. And they turn it into something that's profitable economically. So, Denny, kalupaning sasabihan ko, because you're able to harness your culture and your environment as your competitive advantages. So you're able to achieve economic development at the same time.
Exactly, ne? Yung kultura kasi, pwede mem panagkat. Anti mo ita mo, masanting ta kultura eh. Ay, in culinary arts, parti na yung kultura tamo. Karakal tamo pwedeng apagmaragol na kultura tamo, ne? In kulturang ay ni, nung panagkat metong niya karyanin parol, ne? Anang karakal eh. Kung nalayabi lang, nung nano lang, at bawat yata balen, atin lang apagmaragol festival, ne? Kongfer, ika, menungkulan ka naman ang timong provincial director na ng Department of Tourism and Industry, ne? Trade and Industry, ne? In trade and industry, nung lawen aning ka well-connected keng kultura, ne? Nung balumeng sigurong i-manage o itang i-handle, ne? So, kayo, for example, ken konsepto dareng matwa, ang po pareng manalakaran niya ni keng FLKI, ang pong mag-maintain, manyulong keng SKK programs. May ating kayo bang makanyan pag-aralan o introduce bang kanita, manakitan niya, bang kanita maging sustainable ya, self-sustaining, self-reliant? Makanyan, financially?
Masanting nga banggit may yan. Metong ita karetang programa tamo ta, bakit ta mika ownership la, reng may malen, yamu, uli mo nga Chiyo San Fernando, balara para San Fernando yamu. Ali, ating programa makalatag, kumbiran tala, timo po tang town festara ng timo ning makabebe na niyang September 10 sa Nicolas. Kumbiran talat for that month, no, to showcase detang karelang products ka rin. Balo mo king makabebe, deng malasanto, alos mabilog Pilipinas, ang miraras abroad. In karelang kaikyan, detang karelang malasantong industry. So, ito, ipikay talay, i-showcase la ka rin. In DTI, banggit me, ating kem programa kanita, ang gaman nga ni, they call it the One Town, One Product, no? One Town, One Product. In San Fernando, karin niya medyo, maging more or less, mag-focus siya kayong parul. So, nung dito, maging part no ng kultura tamo rin, kabiyayan ito eh. Kabiyayan niya. At the same time, iyang kaya kang balamo, bibye, aldoldo, paragastos. At the same time, yung dadake mo, kareng aliwang lahi. So, ito, keng SKK, di nantalang makanya na pamikatagon. Dahil kaya katamong miyaliwang municipality. So, makalatag ito na i-roll out tayo kanyan.
So, kaya itang i-promote la.
Yes,
man itang atin la.
Atin la. Di nantalang
tayo. Pala tutoy itang bala mo neng kaya, ting kung daramdaman nanay na yung kultura, niya manapapangan yan. Bala mo itang counterpart na itang, nanan may prinsipyo, mo niya manapangan yung prinsipyo. Pala tutoy ito, ching itang...
Aliya, tutoy na.
May apangan yung kultura because kung yung kultura, nung panagkat kareng niyayaliwang tao, nasyon, magdala hayaaring
kabiyayan, exactly. Apin yan, aga nakakatuloy Director Eric Zerudo na ng NCC. Uling at yung lecture, pa yun, kultura, nakakain ba yan? And it answers precisely that, na nang pwede tamong ipisali, apin ikatamong kultura. So rooted in our cultural heritage, we can turn that into our economic superpower, makanita. In fact, meto nga example ko lagi kareng lectures ko na deng Indonesian atin lang intangible cultural heritage, which is they call it Jamu Wellness. Jamu Wellness is detang spices and herbs, they use them for wellness. Okay, so balo yung nanoing sa salwantamo na Bat Indonesia, na Jamu Wellness, which is a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage, ing Lola Remedios ang paintulak angin. That's ICH. Pintaytang cultural heritage na pipisalide worldwide and they're exporting it. And same thing in Parol. We've been focusing on Parol. And I think ining meto nga strength making San Fernando because we know our core strength in Parol. We use that as a venue in Parol sa cultural product, no? But it has opened a lot of economic opportunities, especially for our lantern makers. Nung kanita dito for kakayan tamo, we're saying na it's a seasonal industry. Ngayon, ding lantern makers tamo, they make lanterns the whole year round. And madakal may uplift because of the parol making, and that's rooted in culture.
Yeah.
Makanta. So, akita mo ka rin ng opportunities, a lot of case studies, no? Really, like, you have restaurants that's focusing on one, o kaya retang manufacturers, focusing on one food product that's rooted in our culture, and they're exporting that. Atin lang wider market beyond the local. So, we've seen a lot of success stories that way. Lalo na nga ni maging mas aware tamo kay gastronomy, for example, na one of the reasons why people go to Pampanga is for our food. But at the same time, let's take advantage of that and introduce people to other aspects of our culture as Kapampangans. Yan kaninya lulubing SKK.
Wapin. Balikan tamo yung pisasabihan tamo. When we return, pisabihan tamo pa po nung nanula rin programa na ng Santungan ng Kulturang Kapampangan. Huwag po kayong aalis. Nagbabalikan, so to speak, Manal Beko Pamurin pong so to speak, kaya Beke Pamurin ni Engineer Fer Kailao, Presidente na ning Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Incorporated, ding Manny Bala, keng Santungan ng Kulturang Kapampangan, at siyempre, Iching Pangilinan, kilala tani, nga, iya po yung City Tourism Officer ng City of San Fernando. Okay. So, nakasantingin po layin na ning kaya katampis sabihan, ana akong karakala, buring ikutang, buring ibuklat topic, ne, kaugne na ning kultura, dapat dimot mo yung kaya katamong oras, although medyo makabaka-ba ne, pinatinta na mong mapila na minuto for this last segment of our discussion. Nano ing paniglon, dareng tao king meto nga SKK na awsandang cultural hub. Anti mo, metong kong grupo, makanyan, o metong kang individual na interesado mong abalo nung nano impene batanda rin Kapampangan. Akit mo ita, keng SKK, Confer?
Ketang akit mo nga ni Karin, yapin itang dakal ka rin kaila pictures la, iba't laking National Museum, no? Nung no ka rin na kingwa tala, tsaka dinisplay tala ka rin, akit mo ka rin makananulang mga biyayan, nanula susulod, nanula itsura, reng minunang Kapampangan. Okay? At tinmuni ka rin, may mili kaming eminent Kapampangan. Mumuna ni, siyempre, kilala tayo, the 5th President of the Philippines, Diosdado Macapagal. Karinya mayari, kayong Pampanga High School. No? Karinya mayari. At chula naman ka rin, of course, si Don Crisostomo Soto, no? The great artist, but
Father
writer.
of Kapampangan Literature.
Literature, yes. And then, of course, the first Filipino cardinal, at chuya naman ka rin. So, then, abeya naman ka rin ng former Senator Benigno Aquino, being a Kapampangan. So, akit mula, nanula ka rin. Yung karela susulod, nang ginamit daw, no? As artifacts ka rin. Plus, akit mula naman ka rin, detang sabi ng Ching, uling, at yung makasantong la ka rin, detang
War Memorial.
Itong War Memorial, no? Itong World War II na ang milyari. Akit mula naman ka rin, detang replika rin matuwang mga santing pisamban king Pampanga.
Awa ikit koreta.
Atin mo naman ka rin, detang activities na ning recently, retang Sinukuan Festival, nga labas, detang letrato, no? Pictures da, detang winners, no? Detang activities na ning Sinukuan Festival. And tapos, at yung ka rin, atin niya naman na para gamitan mong activity. No? Pwedeng meeting rooms or lecture rooms or other activities na pwedeng gawang ka rin.
Wadara kalatang yan ring mag-reunion na may mag-aral UP San Fernando. Ang popang may mag-aral Pampanga High School. Anti mo, yung napon, atin sinulat Ma'am Mrs. Watanabe, kaya beneng Aching Ellen Tesoro. Ingawas da pala kitang building nga ita ng Pampanga High School, yung minunang panahon, class of 1960, I forgot the year Station 2, inawas da kitang mismong building nga ita, nung nukaring yung dating Pampanga High School. So, bisa lang mo ka nung mag-reminisce kasi bala mo at yun, keng edad mga 17 na layata edad. So, bisa lang mag-reunion ka rin mismo.
Oh, that's nice.
Kasi ikit da na kalupan nin dating building nung nula megaral na ausandang Station 2.
Yeah.
So, at darakal na rin makanyan
Ay, wow. Ito to na, a few 2 months ago siguro, detang mig-graduate king UP Pampanga. Karila mig-reunion katulara. At ngayon pepa magpawagala na sumahop la. Na ano yung pwede ming isahop. So, dininan mi lang kay checklist nung noon la pwede sumahop. So, siguro ongoing lang yan yung mag-likong pondo para itang I think itang kaya itang sound system. Ampong tinlapang buringgawan ikay ni ing maglid karela kapatad na ning kaya katamong chairperson babes
Tito Marco.
Marco Lasati ang po yung asawa na yung Mama Ido. Karela
Wow.
graduate, no? So, magbalik lang ka rin. So, ako for one, karin ko graduate. Station 2. So, very, kaya ka na ako mo naman. Memorable ya ka rin. Uling, balo mo na kaklase kay Fe, karin kami.
Karin
batch
kami.
na
This is kay
Batch
Lau.
74. Batch 7. So, memorable ya ka rin. Kaya kami lalo na may graduate ka rin. Station 2. Then, 4th year, karin ka. 1st year to 3rd year, during our time, kaya nilang Osebad Santos ngayon eh. Then, 4th year ka rin daw, kawani daw ka rin. So, ito rin, pupunta ngayon ka rin, masaya kami at saka dakalabisang gumamit. Dating mag-reunion ka niyan, by December pa mo, 2 months ago, magpa-reserve na lang.
At ding aliwang activities na ning Sinukuan Festival, Banwa-Banwa, milipat la ka rin Ding aliwa, syempre, masyadong maragul. Magkasya ka rin.
Yeah.
Pero ring ding aliwa na tsuketang kalendaryo, milipat la ka rin.
Banta may ka-programa ka rin, Ma'am Sonia. So, medyo may kaka-activities niya ka rin. Sasayan yung mga katulad, yung pupunta kang seni ka rin, nung pwede la ka nung magtinda, potang makanya, sabi ko, i-organize tala ka niyan. Then, basta-basta na mo pota maging chapsuyo. No? Tsaka, siyempre, cargo talad sa mga tsulakin. Nung nanuman pepa kanda rin, ating milyar ka rin, masira tamo ako. So, very careful tamo. Pero we welcome them. Kaya mo dapat i-regulate tala.
At atin kaya ating guidelines Ching, for example, Ken Department of Tourism, lawe ako very familiar ka keng guidelines da. Para maging cultural hub ka, ating kari ni observe guidelines, di ba? Nung nano yawari dapat na elements o ingredients sangkap na ning meto nga cultural hub.
I think for the pagka DOT guidelines kasi we can also look at the regulatory guidelines for DOT accreditation So atin yung guideline for museums, for example, na datang at least atin kang malinis na bathroom, atin kang reception area, datang makante. So there's a checklist for that. But for the cultural hub, I think in foremost consideration is it's a place where the community can gather in order to
cultivate culture. So kaya dapat at so ketang theme na ning center na laretang activities that can be allowed. So has to contribute to Kapampangan culture, to sustaining Kapampangan culture. So halimbawa, nung mag-Christmas market tamo ka rin king SKK, itang Christmas market mo dapat may promote na is Kapampangan food and Kapampangan products. Makanta. Pwede itang the usual na anti mo ring other food parts. Makanta. Diya pwedeng makanita. So, detang mga things to consider. But, syempre, detang karing events din kanyan. Dapat detang suppliers, mare-regulate la rin by the And which part of the center are actually allowed for events. Kasi ating it's either mag-notice ka na for some days kasi king aliwang bansa modern heritage buildings they actually rent them out for weddings and private parties. Nima timoratang even in England master na yan wala rin castles one way to survive economically is to open them to the public, datang estates, makanyan. So, parang we can adopt that model as well. Pero we have to have sufficient time to notify the public or tanggap tour for those days, for example. So, that's also another consideration. Masanding happen kasi kami kang tourism office, we do events at the SKK. Like lectures, mga poetry, and other activities to promote Kapampangan culture. And this coming September 15, we will have a Nicolasa Deirit spoken word poetry competition in venue tama po kanyang SKK.
There will be several from September 8
yes.
to September 15. Pero king August 28 and 29, ating workshop mo naman, sponsored by the Department of Tourism and the Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Incorporated, kanyang SKK, kay manini ng kasanting pin, 80 lang kaya nakan, mag-participate laking workshop, nung nuka rin, mika poetry, itang detang mabiyasa lang nung makananong gawang metong tula, poem, nanoy poesya.
Poesya.
Ang popang The Art of Debating. Kasi pala, sabi dari Poeta Laureado Frank Ginto, Poeta Laureado Sergio Calayag, ang po'y Poeta Laureado Bertong Esponga, Alvin Ignacio, sabi nung magsilbing mabiyasang krisotan,
yeah.
nung biyasang gawang poesya at nung alakang
Argumentation.
basic understanding nung makanano ing debate. Kasi kaya ite, joust yan itang mipamakibat ing krisotan. So, keng 28-29 natin kanyan. Well, I'm part of the organizing team, committee niya, pinbaluke. Kay but September, itang Nicolasa Dairit. Pero October, November, and December, atin mo naman activities. So, dakal maka-line up activities ni Confer.
Yeah.
So, alimbawa, Confer, ating bisang mag-donate, ating bisang, for example, monetary support, ating yung FLKI tatanggap yung donasyon. So, can you tell us, bang kanita, balo dareng manalbe po, tarugo, bisa lang mag-donate, itang bank account, nung nuka rin lang malyaring magpadala o magpa-transfer, or nino itang malyari dang ausan, ang popa itang nino, ang popang nanong number.
Yeah. Ayun naman, welcome Lareta. Detang bisang sumao, uli nga sabi ko, talaga masakit siya, pero eta mo kukurol. Pero kung saup da rin hanggang makananuya kalati, tanggapan tayo. Yung Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan natin yung sariling bank account, no? Data naman report tayo laking SEC, and yung number siguro i-flash tayo niya mo Kenny, baka nita isabyang ke total ini sigurado akit de Facebook and then keng YouTube balik-balik, di ba? Bangka nito detang bisang sumao pa Kapampangan. Makapag-connect laki katamo. Ang pore bisang gumamit, mamasyal, no? Kaya katamong santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. So, welcome Lareta, Ma'am Sonia.
So, ating magbante ka rin ating tao. Naano yung oras na ning operation na?
Right now, uling EPA talaga open pero EPA full. Pero eventually, ketang program tamo po tang atinta ng the resources, like the human resource, magbante, ang po pang magwardya. Eventually, mag-open niya ini Tuesday to Sunday. Close yan ng Monday. Pero right now, it's Monday to Friday pa mo. 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. But we can extend. Yung mission, dintang pina taga Laguna Layata reto or Cabiting schools. May nga traffic lang bintala kasi king sapa karetang pateri so neng bus lo.
Okay.
May magkanya linob laketang dala na malati ng kalwa miratang laki katamo siguro alas 8 na nanimbengi. May nayak tamo, penaya tala pa. Pero no magkatula penaya tala. Masayala tikit dyan naman in kaya katang santungan. So very flexible naman right now. Pero eventually we'll have a firm schedule nung kaplan niya makabuklat. Baka naman mas organized.
At iapansinan ko ketang exhibit ketang babo. Anala naman kasanting detang dela ng gamit pipaglutuan na Ching Lilian Borromeo ka rin.
Yeah.
Wow, detang luma ng gamit. Bala mo, Diyos ko, siguro siya dinala nung banwa deng edad da retang dela ng kurang-kurangan ka rin
Kahit made of copper. Nakakakit do keng gaya nagawa laking kay bronze and copper. Talagang lumalo. talagang kaya na rin. Sabi ko ping kang Seni, kaya katamong kaya ka rin administrative assistant, kailangan po tanga tindaratang tutok yan la. Po tarugo mawala la, makarine. Yang challenge ito kaya katamo. Although atin naman magbanteng yan eh. And sa South la, yung local government, San Fernando, didinanda katamong magbanteng nga baka rin eh.
Yang naman kahit, yung ACTOP, di ba?
Yung
Arts, Culture, Tourism Office of Pampanga, Mike Castañeda.
Waretang magbanteng ng bengi karela.
Support naman, babanteng dala rin. Baka kanita kasi kanita yung minunang panahon, alang keto ng tunan.
Ating mga wala.
Ating masirang...
Dadalan lang awang.
Awang, makanya. Uling kapisla rin atang awang
Kapisla,
Pero kasanti nga building?
Yeah,
kasanti nga building, buri ko sabihan, aliwa naman, original ini.
Aline.
Pero, awsa niya yung replica.
Replica, yeah.
Uling kalupan
Yeah.
Reconstructed building. Pero imbalo ko, confer, detang adobe, detang asyas.
Original.
Mi kutkot, kilkulan dala. So ining reconstructed makatumpak ya karetan
Original lareta, retang katalalam.
Dinastaya mo. Ding walls used to be part of the second floor. Yeah. And what's interesting is that then kasing Gabaldon structures, they were the first public schools because that Philippine Education Act of 1901 was authored by a Central Luzon congressman, Isauro Gabaldon of Nueva Ecija. And they're very adaptive to local topography. Ang architect is William Parsons. And William Parsons is the American architect who was one of the partners of Daniel Burnham. He was an architect na implementing partner ng Daniel Burnham. And among the buildings of William Parsons in the Philippines are like Manila Hotel, the Army Navy Club. Kaya katamo, we're very lucky kasi in kaya katang Presidio, which used to be the court of first instance, was also a building by William Parsons. And then we have our Gabaldon buildings na they're patterned after the designs of Parsons. Kaya talagang even the building itself, it's a heritage treasure. And then the significance of the site, it became home to two of the most prestigious educational institutions, Pampanga High School, kanya mag-graduate a President Diosdado Macapagal, and then UP San Fernando, which is, kung malungkot ko kasi Mila ko San Fernando yung UP, but Chuya Clark nga but of course, it will forever be the home of UP San Fernando in SKK. And then, it's also a testament of our resilience as Kapampangans kasi we rebuilt it after our Pinatubo experience. So it stands for a lot of things, and its significance will continue over the years.
And ining significance maging tutuya mo nung talagang maging cultural hub nung etutok ng activities. Kailangan small and big activities. No matter maski pa magumpisala pa, then kayanakan, makanyan, dapat biyayan niya ining SKK ay So, bala mo, ing dimdam ko, may kakulyot at dukit mo naman ka rin. Ang popang itang spoken word mo naman, keng itang keng Nicolasa Dairit, apartiya pa itang ketang tutuki, itang keng November, So, anang karakal? Kurang-kurangan pala.
Kurang-kurangan.
Itang competition. Karinya naman maganap. Dati kasi gagawa niya itakeng mall. Pero this year, gawa niya king SKK Confer. So, siguro, at this point in time, nung ating kang panagkat, ating kang buring aduan asawop, imbalo ko rening mapila na Kapampangan like Josie Castro. Bisala naman sumaog. Kaya rin tikine pinching minsan, but partner kasi nin CLTV 36, itang The Filipino Story. Anong kasantingin The Filipino Story? Kaya wade rening kayanakan na film lam. Nga ragul na laking Amerika.
Pero,
animation niya, history dereng ning Pilipinas, den Pilipino, kasi buridem balikan, den Pilipinong mi panganak at meragol king Amerika, nung nula meni batan.
Ay,
Aning kasanting.
very good.
Ngeni buriden dalan king SKK.
Kasanting.
Yapin ngeni, buriden pa-translate king Kapampangan, at manintun laping donasyon kanyan para may ka-TV ka rin.
Wow.
Banga taring anak ka bisang manalbe, makapanalbe.
Sa lesson.
So, Josie, ne, pag nakaking kaya katamang
Yes.
project.
Anak ng tatambil yan.
Anak ng
Yeah,
tatambil
Tita
na.
Josie.
Tatambil
Castro.
Wow, okay.
Balo me.
Wow.
Minuli ya because dempe nga rin chuno keng edad, burina naman, iyan naman ing lumawe karela. Malambat ya kasi Amerika
Salamat.
Josie.
Wow.
Wow.
And that's also a cultural value, ang caring for the elderly.
Exactly. Ne, nya pinanang anang kasanting, ne, na dening balikbayan na rin, bisala talagang, manintun la kasing something, nung nuka rin in their, as they grow older, ne, minuli no, Kenny, in retirement, what could they do na manikwalang self-fulfillment kasi kailangan naman something meaningful ing gawan mo at the end of the day na ing lakwan mo kaya tiking yato, di ba? So, siguro, metong kareng panagkat, Ching, kareng Kapampangan, even the non-Kapampangans, nung makanano lang sumao in kultura tamo, lalo yang magambol ang popang ma-promote, ne?
Yes, tita. And kareng kaya katamong promotions, lalong-lalo na kayong aliwang bansa, madakal tamo akikilala na miyayaliwang aguman na kalupad ring aguman Kapampangan in the UK.
Wow,
Na Tita Stella Gomez na willing na talagang sumaw. Sometimes we just need to ask. King America mo naman madakal laretang mayayaliwang town associations na ausan tamo ante mo retang atin lang El Circulo Fernandino, ating Santa Ana Club, makanyan. So, lalawin tala rin, Danny, bilang maging kasawap tamo in the future for SKK. So, sana ding aganagan ng Kapampangan na ating kagiwan, ang panglugod para kayong kultura. Isasan metong tamo po banta at talagang saupan tayo ang maging tunay santungan ing SKK para kayong kakatamong kulturang Kapampangan. At miyayadwangan tamo po ing public and private sector, banta ini metong niya kareng maulagang pamana tamo kareng tutuking henerasyon.
Dakala salamat, Ching, at dakala salamat ketang karetang senior mong information na anong kaya lagarete, ne? At confer ing kekang tauling amano, ne? Para kareng manalbeke katamot bisang sumaup keng SKK.
Wah, ay, dakala salamat kaya ng pamikatagon, kinumbira mo kami. Maragula sa upini para kaya katamong santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. Muna, ang pawaga akong pasibayo, ing SKK, amo para kareng Kapampangan kim Pampanga, nung reng Kapampangan, at yung aliwang probinsya, yung Tarlac, Bataan, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, or at yung kayong aliwang parte ng bansa tamo or lugal, no? Yung Amerika, yung Middle East, or in Europe. Pisopan-sopan tayo ni. Nung abiyakin ka na akong personal number and then i-flash niya mo later on, my number is 0918-888-1001. So, ito po
The
yung
same number for 25 years.
for 25 years na po. Relic niya naman.
Malapit na mag-heritage.
Anyway, 25, one generation na. Ang po itang kang Ma'am Seni, kanlas, kaya katamong office manager at ka rin, yung halos panedasan ka rin. Yung number na 0935-899-6811. So, pwede ko pong mouse kay kami. Nung nanong asaup, ang po pang nung ating komboring idake, isaup, ang po pang gawa na aktibidades king SKK tamo.
At atin niya naman pong Facebook account. So, yung Santungan ng Kulturang Kapampangan, atin yung Facebook account, makanyan mo naman, in Sinukuan, atin niya mo rin, ating Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Incorporated. So, ito pong linawi kayong Facebook, saguli akit yula. at aktibo na keman pong mag-post kareng mialiwang activities. At syempre, abatan niya po indaratang Asinukwan Festival, nuno ka rin, ingkapit na maganap, keta king SKK, ingkapit na naman keng Robinson Star Mill. Star Mills, ne? Kenny King San Fernando. Salamat kaya kayo, Kongfer and Ching. Napakayaman po ng ating naging talakayan ngayong araw, ne? Talagang makayama po tang impisasabihan tungkol yaking kultura. At pasalamat ko at inabayan da ko rin yung kaya katamong bisita ngeni para pisabihan ng ulaganan ng santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan. Na mo meto nga building, ne? Tamo pisasabihan ini, building ya mo, no, ne? Sabi na pinching nandin, kayang definition na ng cultural hub, o ning Department of Tourism keng Cultural Hub, dapat ini metong yang lugar nung ka rin in komunidad, maging aktibo ya, dadala na ka rin ng activities na at dening activities sa reni, direktamente lang, mamya pahalaga keng kultura at gagambul keng katamong pamana, itang awasan tamong heritage. Para sa lahat po ng mga nanood na hindi Kapampangan, pasensya na, pero ang araw na ito, dahil santungan ng kulturang Kapampangan, tungkol po sa kultura at lengguwaheng Kapampangan ang atin pong ginamit na salita. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. Maraming salamat, Ching and Kongfer, sa pagbabahagi ng inyong kaalaman at pananaw. Dakala salamat po. Ako po si Sonia Soto at ito ang So to Speak. Hanggang sa muli, magandang araw.